Morning people. Me gonna make some ginger beer. And I have ginger in my yard. I plant ginger in my yard. So we're gonna make some ginger beer. We're gonna dig up some ginger and we're gonna make some Jamaican ginger beer. Alright, I want it to drink now. Even though you have to put it for cool, because I'm gonna boil it on the fire. Alright. The coconut tree limb or the coconut bough bend down. See it there? So me have to hold it up. But this is in my yard. I plant ginger in the yard. Alright? Ashley, see the ginger tree. You can see from up there, so Ashley?
Yep.
And this garden have a lot of ants in it. So me I dig out some ginger. And me I look for ants because tell me if they're ready. Are they young? Them young? Are them ready? Them look young to me. Them ready? Tell me if them ready.
I'm young.
Them look young? Alright then. Yeah, cover back this. I don't know. I actually know about ginger, but she has said they're young. Alright. Hey, may I make my pine dead, you know? What did I want to pass up me upon my pine? Clean my pine dead, because I don't want it dead. How would that? Show me pine now. And me here show. Show the pine. I have one pine here, so I don't want it dead. I cut off the ginger. Ashley said it young. I'm going to try another. I'm going to try somewhere else. Ashley claims say it young. See
You said pink. Okay.
Alright people, I'm going to dig somewhere else.
Like,
come down there. Go back down this one.
yep.
Don't know, these look a little bigger. Don't know, see if anything lives in there. Seeing if anything else is in the hole. Don't think so. I think some more ginger in there. Alright. I don't want to leave any in there, you know. Find piece more. These look more mature. Yeah. Ginger down there, man. Left none down there, no. The piece look big too. Ah. This is what I'm talking about. Take up that piece, Ashley. It's well mature. That's what I'm talking about. Plant people, plant up the place, man. That's what I'm talking about. That's a well mature ginger there. I don't think no more in there. I'm searching. And I don't want to leave any in there. I do it till I just burst up back and come back up. Alright? Clean up the garden. We can leave them a little longer then. Now that we see what is going on here. But this piece is well mature. This piece here. Alright people, we're going to wash them and start the ginger process, alright? Ginger beer process, alright? Put. What we are doing now is we are washing the ginger, alright? And we have to make sure that we open all those parts where the mud is. Go between. You can use a brush. If you have a brush, you can brush the mud. Wash the ginger clean. We are not going to peel the ginger. We are not going to peel it, alright? You can do it with the skin because it's ginger beer. Usually we peel the skin. We're not taking off the skin for the ginger beer, alright? We're just going to make sure that the mud comes off the ginger, alright? Wash it clean. Open the parts that close up and take out the mud, alright? And make sure the ginger is clean. And then we're going to cut it up in the skin, alright? Alright, people, cut up your ginger now. Make sure they wash clean and nice and properly. Cut up your ginger now. And the ginger where Ashley say young, the knife is a very sharp knife and it's hard to go through it. So now I know the ginger is ready. Actually, and it's a sharp knife I use it. And Ashley said the ginger young. Alright. It's not young. You just have this. See there?
I never said it young.
Knife hard to go through it.
I never said it young. I said it needs time.
Because you don't see it fat like that piece. Yeah. Alright. We're going to give them more time. Got ginger beer from my belly today. Alright. You can smell the ginger already, people. Cut them up into small size to go into the blender. And this is about a pound of ginger or more. I would have to go to the market and buy this because me have my little front yard, backyard garden. I was able to go in there and get me some ginger. Alright, to make some ginger beer. So the ginger is just fresh. It's not young, it's fresh, so it have a different look. This ginger is from the garden from last week. And because it's stale, it have the brown color. So that's why Ashley said they're young. Fresh ginger is different from stale ginger. This was in the fridge from last week and look at the complexion, the color. Alright? So this is fresh ginger coming out of the ground. But the knife not easy to go through. See that? And it's a sharp knife. So I know that the ginger is not young. You have to mind me a woolen knife, it's sharp. Alright, we're going to put this on the fire to boil, then simmer, then cover up and steep or draw. You have to make it cool before you can consume it. So I'm going to later, after I dry it, I'm going to put it down till in the evening, or when it completely cool, I put sugar and sweeten. Alright, so, right, ginger tough. So, I'm going to put some clove in it. A little clove. If you have rice, a little rice. Some rice. And I don't have any pimento. 2 pimento berries you could put in it. Just like when you're doing sorrel. Yeah, just like when you're doing sorrel drink. But the only thing I have now is clove. I don't have any pimento. I can put a little rice in it too, alright? Help it to keep longer if you're putting down the ginger beer on the ground. That will help it to stay longer. And I drink my one today. So, I don't need all of that tonight. If I'm gonna put it down, I'm gonna put some rice, some pimento berries. I'm gonna drink mine. It's gonna go in the fridge and drink, alright? So I don't need all of that. I'm just gonna put some cloves in it. And just dry it on the fire and sweeten it. It's to drink at home, not to put it down. Not to ferment it. Alright? It's not gonna go on the ground and put down in a bottle. It's going to drink right after it is made, alright? So I don't need all of that. But you, if you want yours to ferment, you want it to stay long, put some rice grain, put some pimento seed. After I finish, you squeeze a little lime in there to give it a buzz. Alright? Alright people, we're going to get ready to blend now. Alright people, start your blender. Hold on. Hold on. Go here. Yeah, only night. Ready? Ready. Alright people, so I'm gonna throw the blended ginger in the water. Yeah. And then you're gonna add your pimento, your cloves, rice grain, have 2 cloves. As I said before, this is going to drink right away today. So I don't need rice grain. I don't need rice grain and I don't need pimento. Alright, I'm just gonna put small amount of cloves in it. Alright, see the cloves? Small amount of cloves in it. I'm gonna let it boil up and then I'm going to turn off the stove and I'm going to leave it to steep. Or draw is the next word. Left it draw. Left it to steep, to soak. Alright? And when you do that, if you look, it seems as if the ginger needs more water, you can add water to it, alright? Even after it comes off, even after it cool in the evening, I'm gonna leave it for about 4 hours and let it cool. After 4 hours, if it's not cool, don't trouble it, just make it well cool and then you start to sweeten and strain. Alright, so even after that, if it look too strong, like it can take some water, I'm just washing out the blender and throwing in there. Alright, after that, if it looks like it can take more water, when you're sweetening, you can add, when you're sweetening, you can add some more water to it, alright? So we're gonna let this boil up and then we're gonna turn off the fire and let it, cover it up and let it steep, alright? Alright people, so we're gonna strain. And it is perfectly cool now. And so we're gonna strain it. Remember, after you strain, if it looks strong, you can take more water, alright? So you can add some more water to it. Alright, so you can really have to put it over the top now. You can see, move your phone like a shadow. This is a fine strainer. Probably should have put it through the big one first. Alright. Nevertheless, we're going along. Probably can give it a second strain. Yeah. Alright, so we're straining this out. As I've said before, when you finish, you can add water, alright? I am going to put some lime juice in this. So it's lime juice. After you finish, you put lime juice. But in the beginning, clove, ginger, pimento seed, and some rice grain. If you want it to ferment, if you're going to put it down on the ground inside, you can keep it in the house, you're not drinking it at the same time. Yeah, that's how you do it. Alright. Alright, this is alright now. Alright, and that looks like you can take some water. But nevertheless, we are going to sweeten. Cut. I'm gonna put some lime in here. Lime juice. I have about 2 limes in my hand, or 3. I'm gonna put them in there. Alright? Just to give it a buzz. Then I'm going to sweeten, and I'm going to pour some over some ice cubes and drink. All right. Now remember, healthy lifestyle, not too much sugar. All right. So we're not going to put too much sugar in the ginger beer. All right. I've also a small one, I'm going to put it in there to just finish it. And I usually buy the bottle lime that is already squeezed. I don't have none now. And I can't take the squeeze in. I prefer the lime with squeeze already. Alright. Some people say it tastes different. A lime, very sour too. Alright. This one looks like it's all young. Anyway, it's sweetening time. This is the last piece. All right. This aside, sweetening time. Just a little too near. Oh, got you. All right. Sweetening time. All right. Let's see if that's enough. I have some more sugar here. But let us see if this is enough. Remember, we don't want it too sweet. And you can spray it again because I'm using dark sugar. You can strain it again. After sweetening, you can strain it if you want, alright? So that you get a smoother drink. Alright, I'm going to add a little more because I don't want when the ice cube go in the glass, it's fresh, alright? So I'm just going to add a little more sugar. Oh, that's it. That's it right there. No more. Alright. Now I'm going to get my cup with my ice cubes. Alright, people. Okay. Going for the glass with the ice cubes. Ready? Okay. People, look at that. So I have some nice ice cubes here. I'm just going to pour. Wow. That is it. Nice refreshing drink. I know I'm going to drink, but I'm sweating. Alright? Fire in your wire. This is refreshing. Catch you in the next adventure.